Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your watch list on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change or switch between your watch list, just click on My Watch List at the top left corner. You will then be taken into your watch list page. Now, your current watch list will be shown at the very beginning. If you wish to switch your watch list, then you will find the other one at the right side. You can create one if you don't already have another by clicking on the plus button. When you have multiple watch lists, then you will be able to switch between them by clicking on the respective watch lists. You can then enter your metrics by choosing the Add Position option. Once you add your positions, you will be able to see the details within the main watch list. And there you have it. That is how you can switch or change between your watch lists on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.